If your primary goals are to increase muscular size or maybe even muscular endurance, this superset is for you. So we have the deadlift plus row here, and this can be done with kettlebells, dumbbells, or a barbell. Here we'll use kettlebells. Before I get into it, a modification to make it easier, maybe you're a beginner trying to challenge yourself, would be to half the weight, turn this into a drop set by halving the weight just as you go into the bent over rows. Now, breaking down this deadlift, we're hinging at the hips. This is working the whole posterior chain, including the abs. Most importantly is the width of my feet, which are hip width apart or closer, not shoulder or a little wider, because that odd distance where you're not necessarily sumo is where you don't get the best stretch of the bicep femoris, which is your outside hamstring. That is super important. And now we're moving on to the bent over row, mainly targeting the lats, but we might also get the biceps and the shoulders a little bit. But to focus on that lat tension, we want to maintain tension in the lats as well as brace our core while keeping those elbows close to the body. So with this long 60 to 90-second set, we are eliciting damage with mechanical tension, but also we're getting metabolic stress. So we're getting chemical damage as well, which is what makes us super. We're getting damage in two different ways, which is going to elicit greater muscle growth. For more tips like this, follow for more. Peace.